The tongue. Take out the corresponding yarn. Wrap the yarn around your little finger and then bring it up to index finger. Pinch the yarn tail with your thumb and middle finger. First, make a slip knot in this way. Place the hook under the yarn. Twist the hook clockwise to wrap the yarn. Pinch the crossover of the yarn. Yarn over the hook and pull through the loop on hook. Pull the yarn tail to tighten the loop. A slipknot is made. Start with 7 chain stitches, ch. 1 chain stitch, ch, is done. Mark the left loop of the first chain stitch, ch. Continue to work chain stitches, ch. Finish 7 chain stitches, ch, in total. Seven chain stitches, ch, are done. Turn, skip the first chain stitch, ch, and work 2 slip stitches, ss, from the second chain stitch, ch, through the left loops of the chains. Insert hook into the left loop of the second chain. Yarn over the hook and pull up a loop. Then pull the first loop on hook through the original loop on the hook. That's 1 slip stitch, ss. Mark the first slip stitch, ss, and then continue to work 1 more slip stitch, ss, through the left loop of the next chain. Then work 3 single crochets, sc. Remove the marker. Then work 3 single crochets, sc, through the marked loop. Three single crochets, sc, in the same stitch are finished. Then work 3 single crochets, sc, through the loops on the other side of the chain. Cut off this short yarn tail. Then work 2 slip stitches, SS. Two slip stitches, SS, are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch, SS, in the first stitch to join this round. Stretch the loop and remove the hook. Break yarn, leaving a long yarn tail for sewing. Pull the yarn tail out. Tighten up. Use the hook to pull the yarn tail to the other side. In this way. Thread the needle with the yarn tail. Conceal the yarn tail inside the fabric. Make some adjustments. Remove the needle. The tongue is completed.